For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to very first try, from trumpet to falling to learning to fly. Each stroke of the pain to each motion that leads me high. It's the magic that we call life. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. Right when you see it, can you believe it? It's wonderful.
star can only take you part of the way. You gotta help along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I've and I'm almost there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales do come true, but you gotta make 'em happen. People gonna come in everywhere.
Will today be the day? Be ready to fly. Could take a try.
Come on, everybody, here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and charge your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squalls. We could be immortals, but not for
Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast and take you by surprise. It's make your mama's proud time.
So, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, and scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás, caso milagros. Viendo crisalinas, hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. To fly apart, to reunite, wonders surround you. Just let the walls come down. Don't look behind you, fly till you find your way toward tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we collide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. Heaven sent. Can you believe it? It's the magic that we collide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. Heaven sent. Can you believe it? It's wondrous.
And so we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be